don't need to pick up the farm. Maples, watch out, you've got two.
There's Mavericks.
Yeah, what building?
You should literally every
That
building in
double-story
Levy.
building next to the fucking command tent. They're the leads.
Anyone need to pick up
we
in a
got
heli
some
over?
Rightio, get ready.
God damn, we have a lot of people in fucking Montana. That's not a win.
Good luck,
Catch
guys.
up.
Does this send you in? Yeah, copy.
Put me like 100 meters away from it.
Yep. So, semi-hot drop. Copy. Just trying to stay low so they don't see us.
only one can be deployed to spawn on. Copy that, you want me to undeploy this one at Utah then?
For that reason exactly.
I'm in a heli.
Surely we don't have to take Levy yet.
Sure.
Alright boys, get ready, Nevada.
back up.
Fucking beautiful. Cheers, brother.
All good bro, good luck.